Friday on CCM, Mojo is hosting. And make sure you tune in and watch for the code to get this cool C-Tune. But wait, there's more. If you log on to Cartoon Orbit next Friday night, you'll also get a super special bonus C-Tune. Oh, yeah, baby! So join Mojo next Friday at 8 for Cartoon Fridays, only on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Toonami Midnight Run, followed by the Acme Hour on Cartoon Network.
Welcome to the world of Harry Potter! Now you can experience the excitement of Quidditch. Harry sees an opening. A bludger strikes. It takes skill to catch the golden snitch. Harry makes his move. Yeah! Harry Potter Quidditch Electric Set. Adult assembly required. Batteries not included. They're squirmy and wormy and purple and green. The grossest little creatures that you've ever seen. Creepy crawlers! Creepy crawlers!
Creepy crawlers. Other plastic goop compounds and molds sold separately from Toymax.
Hey, heard you guys loved the video show last summer, so here we go again. Time to drop some beats one more time.
Finally, someone let me...
Coming up next, we're breaking off a full hour of animated music videos in a Midnight Run special edition. We've got all 4 Daft Punk videos, including their latest, Harder, Better, Faster, Stronger.
Faster, stronger.
Plus all 3 Gorillaz videos, including Clint Eastwood, and some classic Toonami videos. Ain't nothing changed, only Toonami.
Like it is with the stars. There are bright ones and there are those that are normal people.
Be very careful.
The Midnight Run Special Edition will continue in a moment.
Area scanned. Battlefield set up. Ready? Fight! Let's go! I'm hit, coward! Get up!
Zoids. Weekdays at 5. What are you looking at?
Hey, how you doing? I'm looking for this movie. This one movie, and this guy's like, freeze! I can't kick. Yeah. Hey. Then there's this one part. Which fire it cuts it. Bang. So, you got that movie? Red one? Do I cut the blue one? Do I cut the red one?
The other guy's like, cut the red one.
Yeah, Bill cut the red one. And he cuts it. And nothing happened.
Sure, we got that one.
Cool.
You know that one you've been looking for? So do we. Suncoast. It's where you buy movies.
This is Dave Mirra. Leave a message.
Yeah, Mirra, you ain't nothing, man. I'm playing your video game and I just smacked you something silly, yo. You got tricks? I know your tricks. You think you can reach a higher level? You ain't got the spleen to take me. You ride tough parks? Wait till you break off a piece of what I'm building. You hear me, Mirra? You better cash in one of those miracles, boy, because I'm coming over and I'm gonna kick your... Dave Mirra, Freestyle BMX 2, rated T for teen. From Acclaim Max Sports. Aight?
Sure, you know Dexter, the little boy with the big brain, but what about Super Dexter, Sci-Fi Dexter, Clean Dexter, Clone Dexter, Rubber Dexter, and all the Dexters in between? Go to CartoonNetwork.com to vote for your favorite Dexter episode. Then tune in Sunday, November 18th to watch the world's favorite Dexters, plus 2 brand new episodes of Dexter's Laboratory. Dexter Goes Global, all day Sunday, November 18th, only on Cartoon Network. Brought to you by Dexter's Lab. Science ain't fair for PC.
The world's security may be at stake.
Big surprise.
We would be a force that could truly work for the ideals of justice.
Justice League, premiering Saturday at 7, only on Cartoon Network.
From the deepest reaches of space,
Some darkness approaching.
the ultimate enemy has arrived.
I have a bad feeling about all this.
Their single purpose, destroy our world.
Let's plant this thing.
From the seeds of destruction, a new threat has arisen. A tree with the power to enslave a planet.
The tree of might will leave Earth withered up and dry.
7 heroes are all that stand in its way.
I won't let the Earth be destroyed. Power up! Bring it on! KOK! You want some of me? Fly fast! Energy blast!
Next Friday, the battle for Earth begins.
Come on.
Tree of Might. Next Friday at 5:30. Only Toonami.
In the year 2039, Gotham City has no heroes. Its people, no hope. Its youth, no future.
Evening, boys and girls. Who's up for some laughs?
Terry McGinnis was part of the problem.
Right there.
You can't control your temper, and you'd better if you expect to get anywhere in life.
Yeah, I'll be a big success, just like you.
Until a moment of violence brought him to the door of a man named Bruce Wayne.
Let's put a smile on his face.
Leave him alone. Once known as the Batman.
Man, you're something. You okay?
Now, the Dark Knight will rise again to drive the shadow of evil from the streets of Gotham.
Let's go.
Supervillains, beware. There's a new Batman in town. Batman Beyond. Weeknights at 6:30.
You're pretty strong for some clown who thinks he's Batman.
I am Batman. Justice returns to Gotham.
Welcome to my world.
Only Toonami.
Now, back to the Midnight Runs. The Midnight Run Special Edition will continue in a moment.
You know their names. Now see the show that started it all. Earth's mightiest warriors. Only smaller. Dragonball. Weekdays at 5:30.
Master Roshi, get off the toilet!
I said hold on!
You're stinky.
They're so cute at that age. Only Toonami.
You can join all the winners when you buy Shrek on video, because every video comes with a prize. You could win one of the new Xbox video game systems, Game Boy Advance, Baskin-Robbins ice cream, or a Kia Sedona minivan for your family. Ooh, Shrek rated PG for free game piece right to address below.
Wise Samurai visits shop.cartoonnetwork.com for action figures from the new Cartoon Network series, Samurai Jack. Collect all 5 toys that can only be found at shop.cartoonnetwork.com, the official site for all Samurai Jack merchandise.
Sure, you know Dexter, the little boy with the big brain, but what about Super Dexter, Sci-Fi Dexter, Clean Dexter, Clone Dexter, Rubber Dexter, and all the Dexters in between? Go to CartoonNetwork.com to vote for your favorite Dexter episode. Then tune in Sunday, November 18th to watch the world's favorite Dexters, plus 2 brand new episodes of Dexter's Laboratory. Dexter Goes Global, all day Sunday, November 18th, only on Cartoon Network. Brought to you by the Powerpuff Girls Chemical Extraction for PlayStation and N64.
Has Tony Hawk gone insane? Tricking off a fire truck, a cop car, and freeway traffic? It's Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 3, with 8 massive living levels that let you trick off of everything. Choose from 13 skaters, create a skater, a skate park, even play online.
What's Tony Hawk doing on the freeway?
Front side nose grind. Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 3, rated E to T.
You've got one night to save Mario from the supernatural. Luigi's Mansion. Only for Nintendo Gamecube. Rated E for everyone.
My potato song has won its contest every year. This is an outrage.
The Brak Show, Sunday at 11 on Adult Swim.
The Midnight Run Special Edition now continues. Yes, Norman.
Master Roger, in West Dome number 5, there's a report of a giant robot.
A mechanized army of circuitry and metal, cold and emotionless, carry out tasks without conscience. Robots, thousands, programmed for destruction, march towards the future. It's coming. Man's greatest inventions, making the impossible possible, are no longer under our control.
Technological strength will just become a threat to the Earth.
This new breed of technology makes humanity obsolete. Robots, thinking, acting on their own, begin their march toward domination. These machines, built by man, serve no one. The robots among us, watching, waiting, calculate their new world order. Their time is coming. They cannot be stopped.
Attention, strange weapons are approaching. Attention, strange weapons are approaching.
Die with perfect weapons and superior intelligence. Robots rule this planet. Let the fall of mankind give way to a new age.
This little mudball of a planet is doomed anyway.
There are endless possibilities stretched out before him.
And to trust in your own power.
Whatever happens from now on, you stand firm and face your destiny without fear, but with courage.
What awaits him down the path, he will then have to choose.
No one's gonna give you a map. You've got to walk your own path.
The children leave their homes in search of this quest.
What is thy desire?
As they search, they are always asking questions. What's out there? What's waiting for me?
Why was I made? Who made me? And what did they make me for?
Are you gonna go up into space with your old man or not?
Maybe I'll never get over this.
I've lived my life following my dreams, and I don't have any regrets.
You're gonna just keep running away?
Just keep running away? I'm not running.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Believe in yourself and create your own destiny. Don't fear failure.
Midnight Run Special Edition will continue in a moment. DBZ fans, listen up. Tired of missing your favorite show during the week? Your luck is about to change.
We've got a surprise treat for all you loyal fans.
Every Saturday from 1 to 3, catch 2 hours of the best cartoon show on Earth.
It's game time.
A week's worth of DBZ, all in a row.
Don't try me when you get hurt.
You love it.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
Only Toonami.
Say, I'm looking for this movie, and in it, there's this guy.
Hello!
Ow! That was funny. So, you got that movie? Get his pants on?
Run and pow! Sure, we've got that one. Come on.
Cool.
You know that one with the green ogre and the goofy donkey? That's Shrek. Or how about the holiday one that Dr. Seuss wrote? That's Dr. Seuss's How the Grinch Stole Christmas. No matter what movie you're looking for, you'll find it at Suncoast, where you buy movies.
Now, back to the Midnight Run Special. The Midnight Run Special Edition will continue in a moment.
The year UC-79. The first Gundams are developed.
The armor's in plain old titanium alloy.
Gundarian. You're Gundarian.
Federation versus the Principality of Xeon.
360-degree panoramic cockpit changed everything.
Gundam GPO2, codename Siceless.
The rivalry between a Muro and the sinister Shard.
59 feet from ground to antenna.
January 1, UC8. Peace.
Are you prepared to enter the saga of Gundam? Gundam action figures, dozens to choose from, each sold separately from Bandai. Visit GundamOfficial.com.
The Midnight Run Special Edition now continues.
Coming up next, it's the Acme Hour, followed by Scooby Movies on Cartoon Network.
Charter Digital Cable's bringing the interactive experience home to you. Hundreds of channels giving you more choice. Digital music, always playing your song. Crystal clear digital picture and sound, pulling you in. Interactive features bringing TV to life. Plus all of your local channels, delivering more than a dish could ever dream. Charter Digital Cable. TV, the way it was meant to be. Are you ready to explore the possibilities?
Available now on Video On Demand from Charter Digital Cable, the new channel that turns your TV into a video player with just your remote. Order movies at any time with a touch of a button.
Stay with me.
Like Angel Eyes and Cats and Dogs.
Our day has come!
Plus hundreds of other titles each month.
You're having too much fun.
Hey, no dish can do that. And there are never any tapes to return. Play, pause, rewind, rejoice with Video On Demand from Charter Digital Cable. Tune to your Video On Demand channel and order the hits you want today.
The new Powerpuff Girls video and DVD, Meet the B-Dolls, are creating an international sensation. These videos are packed with hilarious episodes and exclusive special features like music videos, Mojo Jojo commentary, and much more. You can get Meet the B-Dolls on video and DVD today.
From Sports Illustrated for Kids comes the ultimate football game for Game Boy Advance. Hit the field and go head-to-head with the only multiplayer football game out there. You are the owner, manager, and coach of your very own team that you create. Then go to Electronics Boutique to get the password that unlocks your very own All-Star and create the unbeatable team. And if you love baseball, check out Sports Illustrated for Kids Baseball. Get Sports Illustrated for Kids football and baseball for Game Boy Advance at Electronics Boutique. Rated B for everybody.
Okay, everybody gets X-ray vision.
Yeah, and big chainsaw hands.
P-Lab 2021, Sunday at 11:15 on Adult Swim.
You're now ready to try my new electrographic fine print enhancer. Say when? When?